I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute castle for princess. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nanny Julie, and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. We can see towers, roofs, windows, drawbridge, and portcullis. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the walls. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle. I choose dark pink and draw horizontal line in the middle. Then let's draw two vertical lines on each side and connect them. Then let's draw two vertical lines on the top of this rectangle. The first and the second. And let's connect them. Now let's draw the tower on the right side. I draw a vertical line over here, then long diagonal line on the right side and connect them with curve on the bottom. On the top, we draw horizontal line. Wow, what a great line! Keep it up! And let's draw the same thing on the left side. We draw vertical line on the same level over here on the left side. Then draw diagonal line on the left side and connect these ends with curve on the bottom of castle, and here we draw horizontal line, straight horizontal line. Okay, now let's draw roofs. I choose orange and draw upside down V shape over here on the top of the paper. Upside down V shape over here, then in the middle of the paper and on the right side. Upside down V shapes. Okay, that's right. I like your line. And let's connect these ends with towers, with curves. Over here on the left side, in the middle, and on the right side. Now let's add some texture. Draw diagonal lines inside the rows and draw diagonal lines in the other direction. On the left side, then on the right side, diagonal lines inside the roof, then diagonal lines in the other direction, then the same step in the middle, and in the other direction. Good job! Keep on trying! Now let's add windows. Draw upside down U shape on the left side. The same upside down U shape on the right side. And in the middle over here, upside down U shape. And let's connect these ends. Then let's add vertical lines in the middle of the windows and 3 horizontal lines on the left side, 3 horizontal lines on the right side, and 1 in the middle. Then Let's take red marker and draw drawbridge. Upside down U shape again in the middle over here. Then let's add particulars. I draw one heart on the top in the drawbridge, then two hearts on the bottom of the drawbridge. Then let's add vertical lines. Inside hearts we don't draw lines. Then let's add small hearts over here at the end of lines and add some horizontal lines inside the drawbridge and inside the hearts. We don't draw horizontal lines. Our drawing is left to color together. You can choose any color you like. After lesson, you can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. I will see your drawing and answer to show you message. Now let's color it. I choose yellow for roofs, tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose light blue for windows. Tracing inside and coloring. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. And I choose orange for drawbridge. Tracing and coloring inside. Now I choose light pink for walls and towers. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. We trace around the edge again, trying not to go beyond the line. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. Try to stay inside the line. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. That's the way to go. You did it. I like your castle. It's so beautiful. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper game on link in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.